Her hometown is kept secret at her request. But everyone knows who she is. Lale! She hails from the Ortiz farm, known for its Peruvian coffee. Who knows what this rising star of MMA will accomplish? Azucena M. Ortiz!
Je t'ai amené à Rome afin que tu puisses me voir triompher en personne. Mais tu sembles bien insatisfaite.
自家用ジェットで無理やり連れてきといて何が連れてきてあげましたや
응? 넌 지네 동생이던가?
いつも兄が世話になっておりますってちゃうわであんたはジンの応援か
뭐? 그럴 리가 없잖아. 난 미시마 카지야를 때려눕히기 위해 온 거야.
It's finally here! The fighters will battle for personal glory and the fate of their countries. The battle to decide the ranks of the new world begins now! The first match of the first round is about to begin.
The middleweight boxing champion of the world! The genius of the ring descends to the Coliseum! Stick Fox!
Let's go.
A tenacious will and a body of iron. This powerful pro wrestler takes his opponent's attacks and returns them with interest.
Choose your fighter. Steve Fox. King. Steve King.
That wall of muscle can't stop me. Get ready. Come on. Fight! It's over.
Time for the second match of the first round.
The self-proclaimed best fighter in the universe, his Phoenix Smasher, crushes everything in his way. Paul Phoenix! This carnivorous beast invaded the Southeast Asia, Oceania qualifiers, and clawed its way to victory! Come on!
Choose your fighter. Paul Phoenix. Kuma.
Get ready. Fight!
Here we go! I'll show you. Most strongest in the universe.
You lose.
Get ready. Fight!
Always get in the way of my victories. I'll kick your ass! I'll show you. Most strongest in the universe. Yeah!
The winner is...
I'm in top condition.
Next is the third match of the first round. The fighters who made it through the qualifier blocks will move on to round 2.
His chameleon-like style of martial arts turns his enemies into dust. Shahi!
تلك العاصفة الرملية الحارقة.
He captures his prey with cool-headed combat sambo techniques and squeezes the life from it. Sergei Dragunov!
Choose your fighter. Shahi, Sergei Dragunov.
Get ready. Fight!
استسلم بعد. استسلم قبل فوات الأوان.
The winner is Sergei Dragunov!
That's half of the first round finished. These have all been incredible bouts. This tournament will be one for the history books. Now, before the excitement dies down, let's head right into the second half of round 1. Round 1, match 4. The winner here will move on to round 2.
Is a sword against the rules? Obviously. But ninjas don't abide by the rules. Yoshimitsu! He runs wild and leaves destruction in his wake. The man synonymous with violence. Brian Fury!
Choose Choose your fighter. Yoshimitsu.
Get ready.
Now, it's time for the fifth match of the first round.
Her hometown is kept secret at her request. But everyone knows who she is. Lale! She hails from the Ortiz farm, known for its Peruvian coffee. Who knows what this rising star of MMA will accomplish? Azucena M. Ortiz!
Choose your fighter. Lily. Azucena.
El café es la bebida número 1 en el mundo. Je te prouverai que le thé est supérieur.
Get ready. The winner is Azucena M.
Nada supera la mezcla de
Ortiz.
Azucena. ¿No creen?
Swing, 配置につく。
Commencez les préparatifs.
Next is the sixth match, the final bout of round 1.
The man who once held the world in his hands as the head of the Mishima Zaibatsu, but later fell from grace. The man who lost control of the Zaibatsu. Jin Kazama! Marvel at his skillful techniques. The Grand Master of Wing Chun from the wasteland of New York. Leroy Smith!
I knew I'd meet you someday. I wanted to thank you for standing up to Kazuya Mishima in New York.
俺には力が足りなかった。そして今はあの時よりも。
Without heart, strength means nothing. Show it to me. Show me your heart.
Get ready.
俺には力が必要なんだ。俺はあいつに勝たなければならない。
Mutation is a privilege of the young. You've lost the power you once had. Am I right? Your fist told me about how you fear your own power. You're not using the Mishima. Fists are a mirror reflecting your heart. You can't follow the path ahead of you. Fear in your heart. Jin Kazama, believe in your heart and let go of your fear. Time to use your heart lead you down the right path. You
The winner is Jin Kazama!
Do you see now? You beat me with your heart, not your strength.
Ore's支配する新たな世界では力によって全ての序列が決まる。宣言通りこの大会で勝ち上がった国には相応の待遇を与えてやろう。力による自由を謳歌するがいい。
和也、人間同士の戦いを煽るつもりか。だが
世界に戦争の種をばらまいた大罪人が
Do you see your past sins in Kazuya Mishima? Now answer me. Who are you?
俺は 風間陣だ。
If you know your enemy and yourself, you'll never be in danger. Looking back on the past is the job of old men. Believe in yourself and look to the future.
Jin.
Stando al futuro che hai visto, succederà qualcosa di grosso.
If we don't act now, Jin Kazama, the light of the Red Star may never return.